Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 208. This is the Active, so it does come with a really nice specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, along with air conditioning. You've also got front electric windows. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. Here at Howard's, we are happy to tailor your experience depending on your current requirements, whether that be a virtual appointment, using our Howard's Click and Collect service or our Howard's Home Delivery, or if you would prefer a traditional appointment where we do have all of our social distancing measures in place. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.